Yeah. Yeah. So we got the smoker going. And so Hazel, what are we doing today?
So we have two beehives.
Yeah.
But one of them is a new box.
Yeah. Well, this is a swarm that we found last night.
Yeah.
And Mr.
queen is in
Ahas.
there somewhere.
Yeah, the queen is in that swarm somewhere. Mr. Ahas is gonna come over or try to extract those off that tree. Hi, Dino.
And that is a smoker. I think you see it, but
Yeah.
that metal
Pretty cool, huh?
cup,
Yeah.
and he's gonna make them fall to sleep.
Yeah. That smoke is what, burlap and leaves
Mhm.
and little pieces of wood.
Yeah. Well, because that makes them fall to sleep, so we can get them in that box.
Right, right. So we originally thought it was one of our bee boxes.
Yeah, but we don't know.
We don't think so.
We don't know.
Our bees are fine. We checked them this morning.
And
Everybody's
that's
accounted for.
Huh.
So these must have come from somewhere else, and they probably will become ours. So
And,
is the queen
most of
bigger than those
Yeah,
guys?
and
Yeah.
it has a yellow dot on its head, or
Or a red one.
a red one.
Yeah. So you can kind of tell them apart. But the queen is bigger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bigger than all the others.
Yeah.
There is no going. There is no. So that big circle, that's all the bees.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. If I can. That's
See
a lot
those?
of bees. Mr.
Yeah.
Ahas thinks that there might be 2 swarms here. It's not typical, but it's a big mass.
And so Mr. Asaph has that coat. Well, it's a coat that keeps you safe.
Mm-hmm.
And this is why we're wearing blue, because, white.
Right. They can't see us if we're wearing white or gray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or blue. Because he's wearing blue. Asaph is wearing blue.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's not up around his face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we're going to see how he smokes this.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I did to my socks?
Oh, see, because the bees will fly up the pant legs, right?
My
Yeah.
pant leg in the sock so they don't climb up and sting me.
They can be little stinkers.
And that's why I got my
Mm-hmm.
pants tucked into my boots.
Mm-hmm. Well, and we're staying back a nice safe distance too.
Behind this fence right here.
Okay, so now he's putting on some gaiters on his wrists.
That keeps bees from going up my sleeve.
Three. He's gonna do this
Okay, now he's got his hat on.
because that keeps him safe.
And typically the bees are very docile at this point
And-
because all they want to do is protect their queen. And they
Yeah,
send
they're
out
their guardians.
little messengers to go find maybe a hole in a tree or
Another
some
hole.
place that they can provide for their queen, and then they would all go to that. But
But
it's
the
interesting that
queen-
this has been here now
queen
overnight. And so obviously they haven't found a suitable resident area.
These are fun. Yeah. Yeah. And so we're gonna watch
Here we go.
him. Okay, we're gonna do this.
Now some beekeepers use lemongrass to get them to go into their beehives. We found out this morning you don't eat bananas and be around a beehive, right? For some reason that is a scent that mimics a pheromone that they inhibit, and They get a little crazy. Oh, look at this little guy. He's coming over to say hi to Hazel. Right there. Yeah. He's probably wondering,